Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's have the numericals of the chapter 4 laws of motion. The next question we have number 18. In the following table, every item on the left side can match with any number of items on the right hand side. Select all those. The table is. Now, in the left side the types of collision is given and on the right side illustrations are there. Here we have to match the types of collision with its illustrations. The first type of collision is their elastic collision, B is inelastic collision, C is given perfectly inelastic collision and D is head-on collision. The illustrations are there. Number 1, a ball hit by a bat. Number 2, molecular collisions responsible for pressure exerted by a gas. Number 3, a stationary marble A is hit by a marble B and the marble B comes to rest. Number 4, a blob of clay dropped on the ground sticks to the ground. Number 5, out of anger giving a kick to a wall. Number 6, a sticker hits the boundary of a carom board in a direction perpendicular to the boundary and rebounds. So, here we have to match the type of collision with its illustration. So, let us see the solution. As for the elastic collision, where we have to consider, we have to taken into consideration, our assumption is the total linear momentum before and after the collision is same. That means the conservation of linear momentum should be obeyed as well as the conservation of kinetic energy should be there. If before and after the collision the total momentum of the system is same as well as the kinetic energy is same, so such collision is said to be the elastic collision. So, in the illustrations column over here the number second is molecular collisions responsible for pressure exerted by a gas. Here for the molecular collisions which is responsible for pressure exerted by a gas is to be considered as the elastic collision. Here we are considering that the total kinetic energy before and after the collision is same as well as their momentum is also same when the molecular collisions are to be takes place. So, for the elastic collision A, the correct match is to be found, the illustration is to be found as number 2. Here you are supposed to write down the complete sentence. A, elastic collision tends to second molecular collisions responsible for pressure exerted by a gas. Here I had just written the notation, but you are supposed to write down the complete answer. Now, for the B, which is the inelastic collision, where it is to be found that only the conservation of linear momentum will be takes place in a system of colliding bodies. Their kinetic energies will not be same. The kinetic energy before and after the collision is different. Such collision is said to be the inelastic collision. And when we look at the illustrations, so we found that when a ball is hit by a bat is a type of the elastic collision where the momentum is conserved but the kinetic energy before and after the collision is different. Then third example, a stationary marble A is hit by a marble B and after making the collision the marble B come to rest. Hence we can say that the kinetic energy before and after the collision is not same. That is why it is an example of inelastic collision. Then illustration 5, out of anger giving a kick to a wall. Similarly over here the kinetic energy before and after the collision is not same. The conservation of momentum takes place. That is why this is an example of inelastic collision. Then the example number 6, a striker hits the boundary of a carom board in a direction perpendicular to the boundary and rebounds. Here also, as the conservation of the momentum will takes place due to the change in direction when it will be rebounds after making the collision with the boundary, but the kinetic energy over here would not be same. That is why it is an example of the inelastic collision. So for B, inelastic collision, the match we are getting illustration number 1, illustration number 3, illustration number 5 and illustration number 6. Here you are supposed to write down the complete answer. Then for the C, perfectly inelastic collision. In the perfectly inelastic collision, the conservation of linear momentum will be takes place. The kinetic energy would not be same before and after the collision. After making the collision, in the perfectly inelastic collision, the final velocity of the colliding bodies would be same. That means the final velocity of colliding bodies, it will be moving with the same velocity. So an example we are getting number 4, a blob of clay dropped on the ground, it sticks to the ground. That means after making the collision, the blob of clay sticks to the ground, hence it is an example of perfectly inelastic collision. That means after making the collision, the velocity of both the colliding bodies would become 0. Okay, so here in the perfectly inelastic collision, after making the collision, the velocity of both the colliding bodies would be 0 or they are moving with the same velocity. Then D, for the head-on collision, where it is a collision in which the colliding bodies are, the force of impact will be there exactly in the line where the line we are considering in which the centers of the colliding bodies should be lie in the same line. Such collision is said to be the head-on collision. That means over here the colliding bodies, their centers, when they are colliding with each other, the body which is traveling in the same straight line, the centers of the colliding bodies are lie in the same line. Such collision is said to be the head-on collision. So here the example number 3, which is the stationary marble A is hit by a marble B and the marble B comes to rest. So over here we can consider that the centers of both marble A and B lie in the same line, hence such collision is said to be the head-on collision. Similarly, example number 6, a striker hits the boundary of a carom board in a direction perpendicular to the boundary and it rebounds. So this is also an example of the head-on collision. So over here for the head-on collision D, the match we are getting is illustration number 3 and illustration number 6. So for this question, you are supposed to write down the complete answer, as I had given just a notation, but you are supposed to write down the complete sentence. There the complete answers you have to write. So here the numericals of the chapter 4 laws of motion is over. You have to solve and practice the numericals which are given in the textbook. Thank you.